Okay guys, we got a 2023 Ford Explorer. I'm going to show you how to remove the cabin air filter. Go in the glove box. We're going to just pop this in and pop it in on the other side as well. This allows us to put the glove box down and access the door to the cabin air filter. And I did not bring my Phillips screwdriver, so you'll just remove this, remove that screw, and then this door will come off. From there you can access the cabin air filter and just make sure when you see the airflow, if it's up or down, when you put the new one in, you put it in the same way. But yeah, it's pretty easy to get to. I just didn't have my Phillips screw, so I'll have to go get that and do this again. And hopefully that helped. Thanks for watching.